Hi, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I'm outside today. It's a gorgeous day in Pennsylvania, and I'm by our Traeger, which is our wood pellet grill, and I've got some, check it out, some chicken getting ready to go on. I have patted my chicken dry, put a little olive oil, a little sea salt, and some Kinder's maple seasoning, and this is going to go on my Traeger, which is now at 200 degrees. I had it set for 180, and I'm going to put my temperature probe in the thickest part of the chicken drumstick, but not touch the bone, and put these on at 180 for about half an hour, and then I'm going to crank the heat. I put the temperature probe on the largest drumstick and closing the lid. And I'm going to let this run for 30 minutes at 180 degrees, and then I'm going to crank the heat. I'll be back to show you. Okay, these have been on for about 30 minutes at 180, and now I'm going to crank the heat, close her up, and crank it to 350. And I'm going to let it go for another 30 minutes. We're back. It's been 30 minutes at 350, and now I've got the BBQ going on. I've got KC Masterpiece, the classic 816 sweet maple flavor. This is Kansas City barbecue sauce with real sugar. And this has a cool squeeze top, which I like. This is going to make it easier for me to get some of that sauce on there. Brush. Oops. Gosh, my cat is crying at the door. He wants chicken. So where's my chicken? And I'm going to put this in for another 10 minutes. So that barbecue chicken gets delectable. Oh my gosh, my cat is still crying. He actually tried to escape the other day. Oh my gosh. Okay, Ezra, little man. I know. Now I'm going to get back there. I can see the car top over. There we go. Resourceful. I did sample this sauce because my kids hate spicy food, and this is a nice sweet barbecue. But you do you. Remember, I put that maple, Kinder's maple on before this. So, I had a dry seasoning on, and now I'm putting on this delicious BBQ. Okay. I like to get it everywhere. Alright, I'll be back to show you what it looks like in 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's at temp. Ready to take them off. Juicy delish. Let's remove with my lobster claw paws the probe. And look at these beauties. Can you see them close? Wow. They look delectable. Very yummy. Let's close her up. Shut down the Traeger.